Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe for one of the simplest chocolate cupcakes you'll make. They're topped with a lovely vanilla buttercream, which is very easy to make as well. These cupcakes will definitely add the wow factor to your Halloween table. Let's start baking. This cupcake recipe involves popping all the ingredients into one bowl and whipping them up together. Place the room temperature butter, sugar, baking powder, self-raising flour, cocoa powder and eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Whisk together until the mixture is nice and smooth and all the ingredients are fully combined. This is ready so we can get it into the cupcake cases. Split the mixture evenly between the 12 cupcake cases. I love this all-in-one method for making cupcakes, and as you can see, it's super quick. You can whip up a batch of cupcakes in less than 5 minutes. Place in a preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes. While the cupcakes are baking, we're going to make the buttercream. Whip room temperature butter for about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll notice it doubles in size and it's whiter in colour. When it's ready, start adding the icing sugar. I add about 1/4 of it at a time and whip it in before I add any more. When all the icing sugar is mixed in, add in the vanilla extract and a little warm water and whisk again. The amount of warm water will depend on how thick the mixture is and your own personal choice. I'm making white and orange buttercream today, so we need to take out half the buttercream and set it to one side. On my channel I have 2 other great Halloween recipes for you to try out. One is a Monster New York cookie recipe and the other is a vampire cheesecake cookie. They're really easy to make, so I definitely recommend you making them. Now we're going to add orange gel food colouring to the remaining buttercream and mix it in. Add more of the orange gel colouring to the buttercream if you want a deeper orange colour. This looks the perfect pumpkin colour for Halloween. When the cupcakes are cooled, we can start decorating them. Pipe a buttercream swirl on top. To make the batch, you just need an Oreo cookie. Pop 2 edible eyes on the cookie and use melted chocolate to stick them. To make the wings, we're just using one side of an Oreo cookie and we've cut it in half. Now isn't that a great looking Halloween bat and such a simple idea as well? Please let me know in the comments below what you're making for Halloween. I'd love to know. Thanks so much for watching, I do appreciate it. Have a spooktacular Halloween. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!